Hey everybody, Dan Gorfinkle with EXP Realty. I've sold hundreds of homes, helped hundreds of buyers and sellers over the years. Here to help you guys out, give you my best stuff week in and week out. And this one is primarily for home sellers. I'm going to touch on the value of doing open houses versus the value of doing private showings. I know a lot of sellers out there feel like you have to keep pounding the open houses. You got to do these week in and week out to get a buyer, and it's simply not true. There's a lot of strategy once you list a property. I would say the highest value of doing an open house is doing it right out of the gate. Right when you list that property, you list it on a given Wednesday or Thursday of any week, and you do open houses that Saturday and Sunday, and ideally you're in a position to have multiple offers and you draw the line on a Monday evening for an offer deadline. If you do something like that, then you've kind of like coached the market into knowing that they have to act quickly, they have to act with urgency. Time is always of the essence in our business, and I can only say that that's the best time frame to do an open house. Alternatively, if you're priced too high and you need to come down over the span of time, doing the open house right after dropping the price is also a very good strategy. The third best strategy is when you have somebody who's been interested in the property, has not submitted an offer, they're kind of circling and they're hovering around thinking about it, and you literally throw an open house for their purpose, unbeknownst to them. They, as the consumer, feel like, wow, geez, there's an open house coming up this weekend, we better take action on it. And the reality is, behind the scenes, you threw that open house for their purpose, just to kind of get them to step it up once and for all and submit an offer. The value of private showings, I've always felt, is far more valuable than that of the open house, because you have a ready, willing, and able buyer who's ideally accompanied by a buyer's agent who has interest in that property. They take the time in the private showing forum, and they see the property under their own time, not just during an open house time where a lot of people are tire kickers. Just my 2 cents on open houses versus private showings. Happy to go deeper on this with you. Just shoot me a message, Dan Gorfinkle with EXP Realty, 617-820-8085. Bringing you my best stuff. Hit that like button, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.